See that? That generator is no longer running, and it's great. Sunday, we are back at the Mayhem track. It's probably about 1:30 right now. Winston's here again, and Freedom Spec class qualifying is going on. And if you don't know what Freedom Spec is, it's awesome. They have some very simple rules you have to run. Evans 533 motors, Evans heads-up props, and it's a minimum weight for 3-cell LiPo only. So they're kind of slower than normal race quads, so it kind of levels the playing field a little bit. And they're putting on 2 events today, or maybe just one, but there's going to be a Freedom Spec race where the winner qualifies for the Freedom Spec Nationals, which is a big, huge deal. Check that out on 533 or fly533.com. My boss man, Jordan Temkin, the 2-time back-to-back DRL world champion, is going to borrow a copter and try to go out here and see if he can put in some laps. My guess is not. He's terrible.
You go over it first, or you go right around that flag?
Left around the flag.
But you're traveling
left, you go to the left of the flag and you make a right.
I go clockwise around the flag.
And lock visors.
Miracle.
No, man, I'm going to qualify first try, no problem.
As we go live on the tune.
You good?
Less than 5.
Are we going? Go, everybody's going.
Oh god, there's no power. Okay, full
Ignore
throttle.
the battery voltage.
Full throttle all the way. Now where? There you go.
Yep. Bottom.
And
Now top.
Roto. Right turn.
Left of
Slalom. Got it.
Bottom of the double.
Bottom of the double.
Middle gate. High gate.
This thing doesn't fly very well,
Outside
dude.
gate. It's on 3. Yep.
Ah, we're good.
32.4.
Yeah.
Wild type 33.9.
Through the high gate, straight, left on the flag. Yep.
36.6.
Through the little gate. Watch out for the flag on the right.
TPS
Oh, do I just
finish?
start finish?
Mixed
Alright,
signals
here we go.
44.2.
Yes.
Full
Jordan
throttle,
Temkin.
mother. Full throttle all the way.
Lucky
Full throttle all the way.
48.9.
Full throttle.
Wild type 33.8. Sky FPV 34.1. TBF PV 34 flat.
Oh, overshoot. Do I just go straight away?
Yeah.
Jordan Temkin 36.1.
Okay, Jordan.
Wild type 34.2.
No!
Sky FPV 32.2.
Never disarm.
TBF PV 32.9. 8. 7. 6.
Oh god.
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Dude, it's weird flying analog.
2.2
What's
wild type
qualifying?
done.
Did I qualify?
You gotta get
Lucky
4 in 2.
43.7.
Well, I put in the old college try.
way to lose.
Good work, boss.
Thanks, man.
You finished. You brought it back.
Yeah!
That was awesome. Sunday Funday at the Mayhem track continues as they've worked their way through the Freedom Spec qualifier, and they are about to kick off the main event final. But you can't see that. So the unfortunate thing is I have no idea whose copter is whose.
Less than 5.
Whew. Look at that. All midair in the back of the pack. Couple. Oh, they're staying pretty tight here. Top 3, nose to tail. I'm sure that you can't see any of that. Here comes first, second, and third. 1, 2, 3, right together.
29.2.
Somebody Neukel and Amari. I missed who the first one was. So here comes our leader, second and third, right in front of us. First, second, third.
Neukel 27.3. Amari 27.9. Hyper 28.
So it's Neukel, Amari, and Hyper, our top 3 right now.
Move on nicely Monday, 29.
I think they're running 5 laps. Ooh, we got a battle. Second spot, he moved to the inside. Looked like he took him. They all look identical. This second spot's closing that gap on our leader. Oh, Hyper had gotten in front of Amari, but one of them just went down in that backside. So the leader's still going to be Neukel, and it's either going to be Hyper or Amari in the 2 spot. We'll find out as they come across the line. I think this is our leaders here, right there. So it's Neukel and Amari at the front right now. Hyper had gotten by Amari for just a moment, but caught the flag last lap and dropped himself way down. I'm not sure where he ended up, but Neukel working his way to a win in that center hurdle section. Amari's trying to reel him in. Oh, that was a tight line over the 180.
Move on nicely Monday 31.3. Move on nicely Monday done.
Again, your winner, Neukel!
Dude, so I think the boss man made a good call in going to the GoKart track. We signed up for race 5961, which is in like 4 or 5 more races. You get, I think, 9 laps. It's $25 plus you gotta buy a head stop. Not a bad deal. Dallas Kart Center. So we decided to take our lunch break a little extended and come and check this out. Nub's been here before, so it was highly recommended. It's like proper go-kart track, not one of them normal family fun go-kart tracks, which I think is awesome. What do you think, boss?
I'm excited. I hope we go fast enough to go even faster.
Yeah, because if you do under the minimum time, you get to upgrade to the faster cars, which is good. That'd be awesome.
All right, guys. Anybody need any last minute adjustments? Everybody ready to go?
Can you make mine faster? So I'm super stoked because I did a sub 76 second lap time, and I get to upgrade to the faster car. So for $40 you get to drive one that might kill you all the way, and we're gonna go give it a whirl. Blake has already qualified for these. I just qualified for these. These got 2-stroke Rotexes that are water cooled. Dude, this is gonna be a good time.
We do have a different set of rules for these carts.
Okay. 10-4. Bro, my first one, the clutch blew up on the first lap. Oh, that was awesome.
That is insane, right?
Yeah, dude. We did the first class, and I was able to do the minimum lap time, so I got to run the second class. And after you run the second class, you run the third class. So they got these third class karts, and I just want to look at it because Nub's about to go, and then he's going to warm the kart up for me. Then I get to go after him. But look at this thing, dude. You get to rent these things and go rip them around. That's pretty awesome. Oh, and it's the Ocho. It's like this is a proper race car from the looks of things. And that little dot behind him, that's Mr. Jordan Temkin himself running some chase copter. That thing's awesome. Right? Oh my God. That was amazing. You gotta warn people, that makes them want to start go-karting racing.
I would click record and Charlie's like, yeah, it's recording. And I take off and none of that recorded. When I got that awesome counter on you.
Yeah, you lost that? Like you didn't get that?
Because Charlie said it was recording and it definitely wasn't.
That was not nice.
I just wanted to give you a little start, you know?
He killed it.
Huh?
He killed it.
What do you mean?
It's dead.